Welcome! In today's video, I'll show how to make a Discord invite link that automatically expires after 1 day. This is perfect if you only want temporary access for new members or guests without leaving your server open permanently. The process is quick, simple, and works perfectly on both mobile and desktop. First, open the Discord app. Once you're in, head straight to your server, the one where you want to create the invite link. You'll find its name right at the top of the screen. Tap or click on the server name to open the server menu. Next, look for the option that says Invite. This is where you can create new links for others to join your server. Tap Invite, and you'll see a list of current invites and people you can send one to directly. Now comes the important part, adjusting the link settings. Tap on Edit Invite Link at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can customize exactly how your Discord invite behaves. You'll see several options for things like how many times the link can be used and how long it stays active before expiring. Under Expire After, select 1 day. This means your invite link will automatically stop working 24 hours after it's created. It's a great option if you're running a short event, testing something, or just want a bit more control over who stays in your community. Once you've selected Expire After 1 day, tap Generate Link. Discord will now create a fresh invite link with your chosen settings. Copy it and share it with the people you want to join within that 1 day window.